What is going on, my people? It's your boy Denzel FX. We're back again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I managed to make my second payout with the Forex Funder. If you have not already seen the previous video, I will leave the link above here on how we managed to make 4%. In our second payout, ironically, we made another 4%. There's only one thing I want to highlight between the first payout and the second payout. With my second payout, I was actually in major drawdown, my people. Not really major, but I will show you guys everything. I was down 4% on my account. With me being down 4%, there's only one thing I want to highlight to all you guys watching right now, is the fact that losses are inevitable when you are trading. It's all about how you bounce back. So basically, I was down 4% on my account. Then I had to take a little bit of a break from trading, roughly 2 days, waiting for the perfect setup to play out. Once I saw that perfect setup play out, I took it and I managed to make $10,000 trading US30. I will pop the screenshots and everything like that of the trade and all that good stuff. But my people, stick around to the end of the video. You will learn something, take notes. We're going to jump into the charts and I'm going to show you the whole payout procedure once more and all that good stuff. Okay, so now we are on my Wise account. As you can see here, guys, transaction details. I had received my second payout for a total of $3,999. The total amount was $4,200, but of course TFF keeps 5% and we keep 95%, which is really good. I had made the payout request on Monday and I got it on Friday, which was roughly 4 business days. It's okay, it is what it is. So yeah, this is basically everything you guys need to see on this point of view. And yeah, so the next part of this video, we are going to do the US30 breakdown. Okay guys, so now I'm going to break down the US30 trades that we had took. So when we look at this from the higher time frame point of view, we saw that price made a new low and then a new high over here. So we are literally trading in between our 0 level of the Fibonacci and our 6180, 78, 60. Of course, price had came to this area inside the market, but I wasn't quite satisfied that it wasn't going to come back and do a small little bit of a retest. But obviously at these times, none of this even existed inside the markets. What existed to me at that moment in time was the fact that price was moving in a corrective manner, like so. We did have a double top, if you want to call it that. Price had an impulse, it started to correct towards this area inside the market. Then on Monday, when the markets opened, we saw that there was a gap here. So me identifying this gap inside the market, it's very simple, very easy. I had my limit set at these times over here to get in and to get out around these low levels inside the market. As you can see, this is a 1:7. Overall, with the risk that I was using, my initial target was actually these lows over here, like so, but I got out a little bit lower than that over here at these points inside the markets. On top of that, guys, sometimes you have to be willing to leave money on the table. If not, greed is going to take over and all that good stuff. At these moments in time, I had already made back the money that I had lost from the prior trades and a little bit more on top of that. So there's no need for me to be greedy or anything like that. I was extremely happy with this trade, with the way it played out, following my losses. And yeah, guys, I'll leave it at this point here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And yeah, let there be peace in the Middle East and let my brothers and sisters be safe.